We're getting a breaking update as far as the BJP MP Kangana Ranaut's remarks on the farmer stir is concerned that had triggered a lot of controversy and outrage. Protests that still continue. This is the showdown that seems to be happening on part of the Aam Aadmi Party government in Punjab that seems to be holding protest against the BJP MP Kangana Ranaut. The party that was quick to distance itself and saying that Kangana Ranaut has not been authorized to speak on the policy matters of the government. But there is heavy police deployment there. As far as the remark that has been made by the BJP MP has triggered a lot of political protest in Punjab. The farmer unions that were protesting in Chandigarh as well. We are getting right now pictures as many of them are being detained and now being taken away by the police. But this is the showdown over the BJP MP Kangana Ranaut's remark against the farmer protest that has only further intensified. We have Amandeep with us right now. Amandeep, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Karyakartas holding protest against Kangana Ranaut.
Well, absolutely, Amita. Yesterday, Aam Aadmi Party held the protest in the state of Haryana, and in fact, today, Punjab unit of Aam Aadmi Party staged the protest against Kangana Ranaut regarding his statement, statement against the farmers. And even they tried to get out the BJP office, and they also demanded the resignation of Kangana and action from the side of the BJP. And they have raised the slogans that BJP is always a political party which is against the farmers. And in fact, they tried to get out the Punjab BJP office in Chandigarh, but Chandigarh police did not allow them to reach there. And in fact, they have been detained at the preventive measures and they have taken into the police station. But yes, on the political grounds, Aam Aadmi Party is trying to escalate this situation and trying to take the benefit on the political grounds in the state of Haryana before assembly elections. Yesterday, in entire Haryana, Aam Aadmi Party at different locations staged protests, they tried to paint BJP as anti-farmer party despite knowing that BJP has distanced themselves from the statement of Kangana regarding the farmers. And in fact, today, they try to escalate the issue in the state of Punjab, and Punjab unit has staged the protest against Kangana.